Hi, I am PokeSly-AZ. Hit that like, share, subscribe. This is a Safeway vending machine. I'm gonna do it. And I did it. I'm hitting luck. Early birthday to myself. Hit that like, share, subscribe. This will be my first ever Surging Sparks booster bundle. This is a birthday to myself. Let's go. I am getting lucky this weekend. Let's go. Let's go see if it reload anything. Like, share, subscribe. Nothing, but we did it. Let's go. Let's go. Mega and Surging Sparks. Let's go. Again, you guys have a fantastic weekend. Be safe, stay hydrated, and Merry Christmas.